Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the program. It turns out new seat belts and a new impact sensor are very expensive. So in the last episode we took out the airbag and we removed the seat belts. Today I found out that the replacements are going to cost $800 for new seatbelts. And then the new airbag deployment sensor that goes in the front of the car, that's $300, $400, something like that. So we're looking at $1,200 to get this car back to stock safety. But of all things that are worth it, safety is definitely worth it. So today we're going to take off the bumper. I just placed it there so it wasn't dangling. Let's take this off. Move it over here. Yeah. Happy that those grills are still there. Alright, so yeah, we're going to take that off. And I'm going to do some work removing the reservoir and then fixing up some of these plastics and reinforcing the core support that cracked. So let's do it. Okay, so the damage in here is mostly just a sort of fiberglass piece. So what I think I'm gonna do is get some reinforcing material and just come in and kind of back this up and then do the same thing here and kind of lay it in to create to basically just join the two pieces together. That should work pretty well. And then the other thing I just noticed, you can see the sway bar mount got kind of crushed, like it ran over a curb or something. So order up one of those, get that replaced, and back to new. Okay, there's the fog lights, those grills, fairly easy to get out. I've got to undo these sway bar links. One of the sway bar links needs to be replaced, and the other side needs to be reconnected with the end link. So, yeah, here's the old bumper. Have to go in the garbage can. Well, make sure I don't need these rubber bits and stuff, but after that, garbage can it is. And then back to working there. Got a new valve body for the truck because it's not shifting into third gear. So I took off the pan and took off the valve body that was on there and compared it to the one that was in the box that I got today, and it's totally different, which makes me wonder if the transmission that is in the truck is actually not the stock transmission. So I'm going to do some looking up on the internet, seeing what that part number is, seeing what is going on, because this thing is driving me crazy. I mean, I'm going to have to return that valve body. Hopefully they give me a refund. And I mean, I have no idea what's going on, so we'll see. Alright, so we're replacing the front impact sensor To get to it, I had to take off this plastic cover, and then I just unbolted the coolant reservoir here. And then what we're gonna do, instead of, this thing's pretty much empty actually. I'll just take it out. But you can see right down in there where we're trying to get to. So I'm gonna just move this out of the way. So now you can see where we're going. Old sensor, new sensor. Just gotta plug it right back in there. The new one came with 2 new bolts, or 2 new nuts, so that's great. We'll pop them on there. We got the fender liners set and put in. It's a little bit tricky. I lost like 5 nuts and I have no idea where they went. I felt like I heard them hit the ground, but I couldn't see them. And I sprayed myself in the face with WD-40, which is always fun. I need to go wash out my eye. But yeah, they look good. It'll be nice, and it'll match up with the new bumper once that gets in. So. Helps add a lot of the support on those plastic pieces on the sides, so that's good. The right side, yeah. So it's pretty great. Now we just wait for the bumper to get here, which should get here in a couple days, and then what else? Just airbags and seatbelts. That's about it. Then we'll do like basic maintenance stuff, and then hopefully it'll be ready. As for the truck, I've got the transmission pan and filter down. Took out the old valve body and learned some new stuff. Turns out that this valve body and solenoid pack are not stock to this truck. It comes from a Crown Vic or something similar, and so I had to return that part that I got yesterday. So we have some more transmission stuff coming on the truck, and then that'll be it on the truck. The truck's good. Just wanted to get those things taken care of. Yeah. So other than that, yeah, finishing up some of these projects. All right, I'm a tired, filthy mess, so I'm gonna call it a day on the cars today. I just rinsed out my eyeballs because I got some WD-40 in there, so they're nice and squeaky squeaky free, nice and clean. So yeah, we got the fender liners and the Infinity. That's looking good. Just waiting on some more of those safety things. Got that new impact sensor, which was kind of a bugger to get to. It's just behind a bunch of plastics and stuff. I guess not that big of a deal. And we were waiting on transmission parts for the truck, like I said, and Porsche is all done. That's been fun. And so yeah, we should be getting some more stuff tomorrow, and then of course going into next week. So stay tuned on the builds. Saturday, hopefully, maybe tonight. Gonna go check out Kevin's progress on his Crown Victoria unibody Ford truck swap, and see how that's all going. So give us a like, subscribe. Make sure you tune in for next week. Thanks a lot, guys. See you.